Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Summerville Cain and welcome to my channel. If you're not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm very excited about this one. Big Beauty Bang sent me some products to try for y'all, so I'm going to try them, give y'all my first impression. If there's anything else on my face that I'm wearing that y'all want to know what it is, comment down below. Let me know what it is. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all got for Christmas, because by the time I upload this, Christmas will be a thing in the past. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I do want to know what everybody got for Christmas, so just let me know. This is just going to be a quick video. There's 3 products that I'm going to try. The rest of my makeup is going to be done off camera. And first is this Beauty Bang Blush, Highlight, and Contour Palette in the shade 4. This is the packaging. And this is what it looks like. I already have, you know, my foundation and concealer and bronzer on. Now, I will post a link to the website down below with details to the products that I'm, you know, trying today. And I will put the prices as well. I'm going to go in with the contour shade. So far it's looking like a lot is coming out of my brush. And I don't see any kick up. Ooh, that is definitely pigmented. Definitely pigmented, but it looks a little like splotchy. I don't know. They did send this to me. This video is not sponsored, but I am going to give my honest opinions. It's a little bit too warm tone than I like to contour with, but we're gonna work with it. I don't know, can y'all see that, or is it just my face? Is there something wrong with my face? I wanna know. I don't know. To me it just looks like it's coming off patchy, you know? And then it's like almost blending away. I can kind of still see it. I don't know. I'm trying to use a stippling brush to kind of blend it, but it's... Don't think I'll ever use this again to contour with, because that just... I don't know, it was too patchy for me and too warm toned. But let's try the other things in it. Right, now I'm gonna go in with the blush. It's like a pinky blush, but it's kind of like a darker pink. Okay, that's pretty. The blush is pretty. That blush is really pretty, actually. All right, let's try the highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. Do y'all see that? That is really pretty. Okay, so 2 out of 3. That is not bad. That highlight is super pretty. I would definitely use this palette again for the blush. Or I'm definitely going to use this palette again for the blush and the highlight, because that is gorgeous. That's really pretty. I keep saying that over and over again. Sorry, guys. Okay, so overall, this little palette, I feel like for the blush and highlights, definitely worth it. I think it was like $6 or so. I will comment down below and let y'all know for sure. They sent this. This is in the option 2. I'm just gonna start out with that right there and put that in my crease. There's not a lot of kick up. Next, I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and put that in my crease as well. Once again, I don't see a lot of kick up. Oh, that's pigmented. I'm going in very lightly. And that is super pigmented. I'm gonna do a halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in a while. Back in with that first shade and kind of blend the edges. I went up a little bit higher on that side, so I'm gonna bring it up a little bit higher on this side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that like whitish shade and put that on my brow bone. Or highlight my brow bone, whatever you want to say. That's really pretty. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of blend that together. Or press it really. I kind of blend the color part and then pat. When I work my way up, I kind of pat. I want to take that brownish shade and just go in very lightly and deepen up this outer part just a little bit. That is definitely pigmented because I'm going in so light. I'm just going to blend that edge. And this palette, it's really small. I do want to say that. But I mean, it would be like perfect for traveling, you know? Because it wouldn't take up much space at all. Alright, now with my finger, I'm going to go in with that coral shimmery shade. And I'm going to put that in the middle. Oh, that's really pretty. Alright, I'm just kind of blending on top of that. I wanted to see what it would look like without cutting out the middle, just to see. And I'd say it's still really pretty. Probably would have been more bam if I would have cut it out. The colors are pigmented, easy to work with. Definitely gonna use it some more. And next is this Big Beauty Bang, Beauty Big Bang liquid lipstick in the shade 3 Naked. I'm gonna put this on real quick. This is what it looks like. That is a really pretty color. It's like a peachy, nudish, coral, I don't know, it is really pretty. It's drying down matte. It doesn't feel like too tacky or too drying or all the stuff that we don't like on our lips. With the contour and blush palette, the only thing that I did not like was the contour color. I really like the blush and the highlight. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I feel like the colors were pigmented and blended out really easily. And I really like this liquid lipstick. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link down below with all the information. Wait, let me do the rest of my makeup real quick. I'll be right back. All right, this is with the rest of my makeup on my face, and I really like the way it all looks. Like I said, the only thing I wasn't happy with was that bronzer shade, but I mean, 2 out of 3. Can't really beat, I mean, you can beat that, you can get 3 out of 3, but I've had palettes where it was 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4, so anyways, I really liked it. Can't wait to try more stuff from this brand, and that is it for this video. Make sure you've given it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles!